Hey, Shy. What day is it?
Leprechaun Day.
Leprechaun Day. It's Happy St. Patrick's Day. With my rainbow eye, my pot of gold, my green lips.
Auntie.
I'm sporting my wee bit of Irish. It's like a dash, a pinch, a little smidge.
I know.
Nothing huge.
People know I'm Irish.
Well, honey, that's because. But yes, we have Irish in us, and I'm representing today. I'm like 1/16 or something.